Hello and welcome to Chords to Jam. Today I'll be teaching you a 2-chord song from the Flight of the Conchords television show. That would be the theme song to the show. It goes something like this. And to play that song, you're going to need the A minor chord, which is open A, the 2nd fret on the D string, the 2nd fret on the G string, the 1st fret on the B string, and an open high E. And that'll be your A minor chord. Next, we're going to move to the E minor chord, which is the open low E, followed by the 2nd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on the D string, and the following strings are just going to be open. So it's going to sound like this. And that's the E minor. And you're just going to pivot back and forth. And then the last chord, the arpeggiated, is just an A minor chord, but barred. So instead of it being the open A minor chord, it'll be the barred A minor chord, but arpeggiated into individual notes. So and then after that final scrape across the strings, it's going to be the, and to play that A minor bar chord is you're going to rest your finger across the 5th fret and sort of bar them down. And then you're going to place your finger on the 7th fret of the A string and the 7th fret of the D string. And then the following strings are just going to be barred down by your pointer finger. So, and that's the barred version of the A minor. So hopefully this helped you out and it can teach you how to jam along to the Flight of the Conchords theme song, one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time.